Hello guys, I am Amit Sarkar, lecturer of geography at Gobardhana Hindu College. When we are dealing with multiple variable or multiple data, then we try to represent this kind of data either by bar graph or any kind of chart or pie graph. So in this video, I am going to show you the procedure and method how to create stacked bar graph and how to label the total value of this data. In other words, you can say how to add total value of each stacked bar graph. So stay with me. To construct stacked bar graph, you need to open Microsoft Excel. Here you can see the data or variable that I am using, that is soil characteristics. You can see the physical, chemical, mechanical soil characteristics. You have to select all the data except the total value and then go insert menu and select column tab, and then you need to select second type of column, that is stacked column. See, the stacked column has been prepared. Now you can modify the stacked column. You can change the format by going to design menu. After that, go to layout and then click on axis titles, and here you can find the vertical and horizontal titles. That the bar graph will look very authentic if you add data for individual parameters. Now I am going to add label. You can see that by right clicking on each bar graph, but we are unable to add the total data for each parameter. You can see that the label has been already shown, but I am not able to add the total data. After copied this data, you need to paste this data in your stacked bar graph that I have already prepared. The total value has been added to this stacked bar graph, and if I label this data, then you can see the total value, that is for 0.49 for reclaim, 0.47 for active. You can see the values. We want to discard the graph of total value. You have to right click on total stacked bar graph, click on change cell chart type. You need to select line, fourth type of line. Now it's time to discard line graph. For this purpose, you need to right click on the line graph, then click on format data series. In this pop-up window, click on marker option and you need to select none. After that, click on marker fill. You need to select no fill. Click on line color, no line. Click on close. You can see that the line graph for total value has been removed. We need to shape the total value on the top of each bar graph. Right click on value, go to format data labels. Label options tab, you need to select above. We only need to keep the total value for each bar graph. You have to select individual label, then just press delete from the keyboard. In the indexing tab, you need to remove the series purpose. You need to select the series, and just delete it from keyboard. So it is the final stacked layout or stacked bar graph.